Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the prerequisites. Make sure both devices use the same Apple ID and that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Once done, unlock the iPhone and keep it near the Mac. You want a stable mount so the framing stays steady. On the Mac, open FaceTime now and be ready to change the camera source. This initial pairing is why the devices recognize each other. It creates the private link FaceTime needs to treat the iPhone as a webcam. Once the FaceTime window is open, click the camera drop-down near the mute button and select your iPhone. You'll see the video feed in a few seconds. Make sure the iPhone screen is unlocked and the camera app isn't actively blocking the feed. If you want automatic framing, enable center stage on the iPhone or slide to desk view for a top-down shot. These options improve composition and explain why choosing the iPhone gives sharper, more stable video than most built-in webcams. To complete the setup, start the FaceTime call and use the iPhone controls for flash, zoom, or switching lenses. The Mac will transmit that feed. If the iPhone doesn't appear, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then sign out and back into your Apple ID. Alternatively, connect the iPhone with a cable to force a reliable link. If video lags, use a wired connection or close CPU-heavy apps. This one troubleshooting step often fixes common continuity and performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.